Welcome back to another video with A.M.K Media, where we explore ways to make money online. Today, we'll discuss an intriguing and unique approach, creating a faceless YouTube channel for income. Creating a YouTube video on making money online through a faceless YouTube channel is a popular topic, but it's essential to approach it with honesty and ethical considerations in mind. Building a legitimate online income takes time and effort, and there are no guaranteed shortcuts. Here's a video that outlines the steps involved in starting a faceless YouTube channel for potential income. Chapter 1: Choosing your niche. The first step in building a faceless YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. This is crucial because it defines your target audience and content direction. Select a niche you're passionate about and research its potential for profitability. Chapter 2: Market research. Before diving in, conduct thorough market research. Identify your competitors and understand what content works best in your niche. Look for gaps you can fill or unique angles you can explore. Chapter 3: Content planning. Plan your content strategy and create a content calendar. Consistency is key on YouTube. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. Chapter 4: Setting up your channel. Now, let's set up your faceless YouTube channel. Add a profile picture, create an attractive channel banner, and write a compelling About section. Make it clear what your channel is about without revealing your identity. Chapter 5: Creating content. When creating content, ensure it's valuable and engaging. While maintaining your anonymity, focus on high-quality visuals and audio. Use voice changers or text-to-speech tools if necessary. Chapter 6: Monetization strategies. Now, let's talk about making money. There are several monetization options for faceless YouTube channels, including Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling merchandise. Diversify your income streams for stability. Chapter 7: Building an audience. To succeed, engage with your audience through comments and social media. Promote your videos on platforms like Instagram and Twitter to reach a broader audience. Chapter 8: Analyzing and adapting. Regularly analyze your video performance through YouTube Analytics. Learn what's working and what's not. Adapt your content strategy accordingly. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money online with a faceless YouTube channel. Remember, success takes time and effort, so stay consistent, stay anonymous, and keep improving your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to stay transparent and ethical in your approach. Building a sustainable income through YouTube takes dedication, patience, and adhering to YouTube's policies and guidelines.